Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that every gym enthusiast needs to get right: your diet. How much protein should you really be eating, and what's the deal with calories when you're trying to bulk up or slim down? Stick with us as we break down everything you need to nail your nutrition for optimal gym results. First up, let's talk about protein. You know it's crucial for muscle repair and growth, but how much do you actually need? The general guideline is to consume about 1 to 1.5 grams of protein per kilogram of your body weight. So, if you weigh 70 kilograms, you should be aiming for about 70 to 105 grams of protein each day. But remember, the exact number can vary based on your fitness level and goals. Now, on to calories. Calories are essentially the fuel that powers your body through those tough workouts and throughout the day. But not all calories are created equal. You need a mix of proteins, carbohydrates, and fats to balance your diet. We'll explain more on that in a moment. Understanding calorie deficit and surplus is key here. If you're looking to lose weight, you'll want to consume fewer calories than you burn. That's a calorie deficit. On the flip side, if you're aiming to gain weight, you need a calorie surplus, or more calories than you burn. It sounds simple, but getting it just right can be a challenge. Use a TD calculator. It's a tool that helps you estimate how many calories you burn on an average day, including your workouts. Just plug in your details like age, weight, height, and activity level, and it'll do the math for you. Once you know your TDE, adjusting your calorie intake for weight loss or gain becomes much easier. Track your weight weekly to check the progress. Let's break down the macros: proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. Proteins, as we mentioned, are the building blocks of muscle. Carbohydrates are your main energy source. Aim to get most of your carbs from whole sources like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains to keep your energy levels stable. Fats are also crucial. Healthy fats can be found in foods like avocados, nuts, and fish. Here's a simple day meal plan for someone aiming for a balance. Breakfast: oats with a scoop of protein powder and a handful of berries. Lunch: grilled chicken breast, quinoa, and a mixed green salad with olive oil dressing. Snack: Greek yogurt and a handful of almonds. Dinner: baked salmon with sweet potato and steamed broccoli. This meal plan gives you a good balance of all macronutrients and keeps your calorie count in check. And that's it for today's deep dive into the ideal gym diet. Remember, everyone's body is different, so feel free to tweak these suggestions as needed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fitness and nutrition tips. Got any questions or want to share your diet plan? Drop a comment below. Catch you in the next video. Stay strong and eat smart.